Hello? Hello?
Why did you late?
Oh, am I? I'm waiting for you. I'm here. I can see your name and I'm waiting for it to pop up. And I just saw it right now. How are you, Evan?
Oh, I'm okay.
You're okay. Are you feeling better now or you're still tired?
I'm okay.
Oh, you're okay. Because last time you told me you're so tired. But now I can see that you're looking better, you're feeling better, and that's nice. So let's start our class. Let me share to you your book for tonight. Okay, here you go. So last time we talked about animal adaptation. So how their body shape, their body length, how they do camouflage, how these skills help them to survive in the jungle or in the outside world. Now we will have a new lesson and it's all about this one. Can you help me? What's our next lesson all about?
Food chain.
Do you have any idea about the food chain? Do you
I
know what
think
what
I
is a food
will
chain?
a little bit know, but I don't know.
Okay, so let's look here and have some visualizations.
I think it will be correct.
Yes. So let's just see some examples, okay? So this
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Yes.
I was
Is it
correct.
correct? Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. So when we say food chain, it's how food flows in the ecosystem. Okay, how one animal eats another animal. Okay, and how it moves from smaller animals to a bigger one. So let us see. Let me show you a great example. So here, this one, I think. hmm Let's look here. I think this one is better. Okay, so can you see this? This is an example of a food chain. So we have different kinds or different parts, okay, of a food chain. We have a consumer, the producer, and the decomposer. So when we say producer, it's the source of food. Okay, they just grow. Don't need to eat anything. They don't need to eat other animals to grow. For example, the first producer here is a grass or a plant. And then we have consumers. Okay, consumers are those who eat each other. The grasshopper eats what?
Grass.
The frog eats the,
Grasshopper.
and the snake eats the,
Frog.
and then the eagle eats the,
Snake.
and then when time comes, the eagle will die. Here comes the decomposer. So when an organism dies, it decomposes. And one of decomposers that are available is the fungi. So when something decomposes, it will mix into the soil and the fungi will take over it. So can you give me your own example of a food chain? Do you have your
Um,
own example of a food chain? You can draw it here.
okay.
You can draw it here. We have the black side. Can you see the black side here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can draw your food chain there. So you
Yeah.
need to
It
tell
is
me.
same with grass
Okay, it starts with the grass. That's nice.
and grasshopper, frog, and the fish.
Oh,
Wait, I
grasshopper,
have
frog.
to draw
Oh, we
it.
need to choose another one. We already have grasshopper here and we already have a frog. We need to
Then
change
I
that.
don't know it.
Maybe we can use like butterfly or a bug, a
No,
ladybug. Do you think?
no.
No? Okay, okay. I'll trust you.
grass,
Mm-hmm.
and grasshopper, and frog,
Okay, that's a nice drawing for the grasshopper. Mm-hmm. Frog. And then
and
what will eat frog?
fish,
A fish will eat frog. Hmm. Okay.
and bear.
A bear. And then the bear will die and it will decompose. Oh, there you go. Thanks for sharing your own food chain. That's very nice. Evan, now let's go back to your book. Uh-huh. So now we are ready to learn our story for tonight. But before that, let's learn some words first. First, we have this one.
Producer.
Producer. So we learned that producers are the living things that don't need to eat other animals or other plants to survive. They can make their own food. Plants can make their own food. Do you know how plants make their own food?
Yeah.
How? Can you describe it to teacher?
With sunlight.
Yes, with sunlight. Very good. With sunlight, the nutrients from the soil, from the water, and with the help of the air and the great weather, they can make their own food easily. Now let's have number two. What's the second word?
Consumer.
Consumer. So consumer is a living thing that what?
Hmm?
What is a consumer?
A living thing that cannot make its own food.
A living thing that cannot make its own food. So consumer needs to look for their food. They can't make it on their own. They need to hunt for a prey. Okay, like predators. Predators are consumers. So what is a predator?
Animals that hunt and eat other animals.
Okay, so predators are big animals, wild animals, okay, or even small animals that can hunt other animals. So can you give me an example of a predator?
Yes.
Sorry?
Yes.
Can you give me an example of a predator?
Mm,
Hmm.
eagle.
Eagle?
Shark.
Shark? Snake? Oh, I'll ask you this question. What do you think is the scariest and the strongest predator?
People.
People. Oh, that's nice. Because like we eat a lot of animals, right? Meat from animals. But in the jungle, I guess. What's the scariest predator in the jungle?
Monkey.
Monkey. Are you sure?
What?
Why did you choose monkey?
No, it can even use something. It makes something with the tree
Hmm.
to eat ants.
Oh yes. They like
And
shake.
when
They like
they
shake it.
get
They
more
like shake.
smarter,
They like shake the branches and eat the ants inside, right?
yeah,
Or
then
they
if
will use
we get
their hands
more
to scoop it.
smarter, we will be get dangerous.
Yes. But for me, the scariest predator of the jungle is like the wild bear, I think. Because it's big, it's strong, and like they are one of the wildest animal that you can ever meet. So let's have the next one. The next one is
Prey.
Prey. So if we have a predator, we have a prey. So if the predator hunts, what is the prey?
Also eat something that is dead.
Oh no, I think no. You need to
An
read
animal
it.
that is hunted and eaten by other
Okay, so
animals.
this is the predator, the big bird, and this one is the prey, or the one, the, sorry, the weaker one. Okay, the weaker, the smaller animal that can be
Okay.
hunted. That's the prey. So can you give me one easy prey that animal can hunt in the jungle?
And
Ant, very good. Like small bugs, spiders, frog, like small worms. Okay, small cats. So they can be an easy prey to bigger animals. So next one, I know this is very familiar. The word hunt. This is what predators do. They look and chase for other animals. Okay? How about the last one? What is this?
food chain.
Food chain. So
We
what is a
learn
food
about
chain?
this, so we don't need to read this.
But we still need to read it so you can
A
remember it better.
line of living things that depend on other living things for food.
Yes, actually, under the water, we can see a very familiar food chain like this. So fish eat fish. So it's just the size that matters. If you're a big fish, you can eat smaller fish. If you're a bigger fish, then you can eat the big fish too. If you're a large fish, you can eat almost all of the fishes under the water. And if you're a very small fish, you can eat the plants under, or the algae. So you need to be careful, okay? If there's a smaller fish, they need to be very fast at swimming because most of the fish under the water will hunt them. So if you will be a fish, what kind of fish do you want to be, Evan?
I think I want to be, I don't know.
You don't know. That's fine. So, if I will be a fish, I think I want to be a whale, a big whale, a blue whale. I just want to be like very huge that people will be amazed when they see me. Oh, yeah.
Like this.
Oh no. Oh, hello? Hello? Are you okay?
Oh, my stomach.
Are you okay? What
Yeah,
happened? You fell down?
yeah,
What are you doing? You just need to sit down.
yeah, I did like
Okay, so here we have examples of food chain. So it's different when it's in the land and under the water. So let's try and see. The first one here is the one from the land. Mm-hmm. So the
yeah,
first, so what's the producer
leaf,
here?
caterpillar,
Can you tell me what is the producer?
leaf,
The leaf or the plant. And who's the first consumer? The
caterpillar,
primary consumer. Yes, the caterpillar. How about the secondary consumer?
bird,
And the tertiary consumer?
cat.
It's a cat.
There is
Yeah.
some cat in here. When I say his name, it come to me.
Oh, really? What is the cat's name?
First,
I can't hear it. Is it your cat?
no,
Oh, whose cat is it?
someone.
Oh, someone. But you need to be careful, you know. Sometimes cats can be wild too. Oh, you sent me a message? Oh, I can't understand. How do I read this? Sifit? Siftin? Siftin?
No, the Korean one.
Oh, the Korean one. Okay, I'll translate it so I can know what's the name. Oh, it's in English, it's evacuation.
What is evacuation?
Evacuation means to go to a safer place when there's a flood or an earthquake. You evacuate.
I know what it means.
Yes, when you evacuate, when there's something bad happens, you need to go to higher place or to a safer place. That's evacuate. So let's have this one. How about the food chain under the water? So what's the producer
Plankton.
plankton? So under the water, we can see a lot of plants. Unlike here on land, we can see a lot of trees, grass, but under the water, they have different source. Okay, they have plankton, the algae so that attaches to the stone that floats in the water. So that's their main source of food for the smaller creatures. So here, who's the first consumer? We have the
Yeah.
krill, and what will eat the krill?
Fish.
And then what will eat the fish?
Shark.
The shark. So it's actually like the same. The smaller animal will be eaten by a bigger, and the big animal will be eaten by a bigger one. So it's a survival test for survival. So you need to be really, really skillful when you're a small animal. So now let's talk about prey and predator. Okay? So here we have this. The producer is the corn.
Corn.
Can you read it?
The corn plants uses energy from the sun.
Oh, that's correct. How about here?
The boy eats a corn.
Okay, so the vole here eats the corn. He's the primary consumer, the first consumer. And then here, what will eat the vole? The
The dog.
coyote. Can you,
Coyote.
okay, can you read it?
The coyote eats a ball.
The coyote will eat the vole, like this one. Okay, this is the prey, the vole, and the predator here is the coyote. But here, when the coyote meets the mountain lion, he will be the prey. So who will eat the coyote?
The mountain lion.
Eats the.
Coyote.
So now, who is the prey here? Who is the prey?
The mountain lion.
Oh, we're looking
Ah,
for
no,
the
no, no, no,
prey.
no, the coyote.
Who's the predator?
Mountain
About
lion.
here. Who's the prey here?
The wolf.
Who's the predator?
Coyote.
The coyote. Very good. That's nice. How about here? Let's try this together, okay? Okay, let's look at the pictures here and complete the sentences. Let's try this together, Evan.
Yeah.
We need to use the words that we learned a while ago to complete these
Lion
sentences.
is chased by its predator.
Predator, very good.
The
Number two,
is trying to catch its prey.
nice one. How about number three?
Mm, no. Producer.
Producer.
Like plant make their own food.
Number four,
Wild animals hunt
very good. Fun.
their food when they are hungry.
How about Evan? What do you do when you're hungry? Do you also hunt for food?
No.
What do you do when you're hungry? You will look at the fridge,
I
inside the fridge,
I I saw a refrigerator and
get some
I
food.
saw, I saw my pantry.
Oh, wow. What do you usually like? What's your favorite food inside the pantry
I don't know.
or inside the
There's no
fridge?
many food.
Inside the fridge, what do you like to eat?
There's no many food even. Favorite.
You just one, your favorite. What's your favorite?
Favorite food?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, Ramyun.
Oh, ramyun. Oh, wow. How about number five? Let's complete this sentence.
Huh?
Can we complete number
Big
five?
fish are usually at the top of the food chase.
Mm-hmm. Big fish are usually at the top of the food chain. Nice one. Oh, sorry. Uh-huh. Can you help me? Mm-hmm. Oh, no. Can you help me with number six?
Mm, mm,
Do you need help?
I think so.
It starts with letter C. Consume.
Consumer.
Consumer. Can you read this, please?
Farmers like birds cannot make their own food.
Okay, so let's have this one.
Hmm?
Let's try this. Let's read the words that we use so we can remember. The first one is
Predator, prey,
okay,
producer,
producer,
hunt,
hunt,
food chain,
consumer.
community.
That's very fast. I'm trying to race with you, but you're faster. Oh no. So let's go here. Are you ready, Evan? No.
No.
Oh no, you're not. What if I say no and I heard no? Oh no. So let's have this one. Here, let's choose the correct prey for each other, okay?
B.
Oh, okay. Are you sure? For shark? They can eat a vole, but they are under the water.
A.
Should be fish. How about number two? What can be a prey for a cat?
B.
Can you read it?
Or
Number three. What is the great um prey for this
A.
one? Uh, a vole.
Oh.
Yes, very good. For a coyote. Now let's have this one. Same thing. We need to use these words to complete these sentences. Can you help me, Evan?
An animal that hunt and eat other animals. Predator.
Predator. Okay. How about the next one?
And animals that hunted and eaten by another animal. Prey.
Uh-huh. Okay. A line of living things that depend on other living. Oh, sorry. The answer here is prey. How about number three?
Food
Oh, that's
chain.
your phone. I can see your phone. What's that? Oh, your phone is good. I like it.
Teacher, look at this. This is magic.
Okay, I want to see a magic.
I didn't do anything. Wait. I just do like this.
And then what will happen? Oh, what's that?
Look at my hand. I don't did anything.
Okay? And then,
Oh wait. Again, again, again.
okay?
No, 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 no. Wait. Again. It
What happened?
didn't work. Oh, wait. Again. Okay.
Oh, wow. That's cool. I like your phone. Now let's have this one, number three. Let's answer.
A line of living things that depend on other living things for food.
What's
Mm,
that?
Food chain
Yes, are you sure?
or producer.
Mm-hmm.
A consumer.
Actually, it's a food chain.
I said food chain.
How about number? I'm just kidding. I know your answer is correct. I just wanna know if you would think twice. How about number four?
To look for and hunt.
Fine. How about number five?
Producer.
Number five is, let's read it first,
No.
please.
Language that makes its own food.
A living thing that makes its own food. What's that? It's a producer. How about number six?
A living thing that cannot make its own food. Consumer.
A consumer. So what are we? Are we producers or consumers?
Oh, we are consumer.
Yes, we are consumers. That's correct. We can't make our own food inside our body. We need to like um go find materials to cook something, plant something, and hunt or like buy meat or pork.
But no, hunt is not consumer. It is predator.
Oh yes, actually, consumers can also be a predator, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so a predator is also a consumer because they predators can't make their own food too. So you did great, Evan. Thank you very much. Now let's try a true or false quiz. Can you help me with this one? Number one, please.
Okay. Producers make their own. I think false.
You think it's false? Producers to make their own food? Hmm. How about the plants? Plants are producers.
Yeah.
They can make their own food. So what's your answer here? Is it true or false?
I thought it was predator. True.
True. Okay. How about number two?
There is only a food chain.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, false.
There is only one food chain. That's false. We have different kinds of food chain. Okay. How about number three?
Okay. A prey hunts and eats other animal. Mm,
You okay? So we have prey.
true.
Oh, prey? Are you sure?
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Actually, predators can be a prey to a bigger animal, okay? But here we must consider the meaning. Okay, so here this should be false because we are talking about predators here. We need to correct it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we still have time left. Oh, look at this cat. It's a very big cat. Can you see this?
No, that is not very big.
Oh, it's not very big. It's not that big.
It is just cute.
Okay, but it's a predator here because it's carrying a little bird. So let's talk about food chains. Can you help me read, Evan?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Producers are living things that make their own food. Plants are a producer that
They make.
they make their own food using sunlight and nutrients. Consumers are living things that cannot make their own food. They eat plants or animals to live, and animals are consumers. Consumers need to find food. A food chain shows eats what is what. A caterpillar eats a leaf. A bird eats the caterpillar. A cat eats a bird. This is just one food chain. There are food chains everywhere. A predator is an animal that hunts and eats prey. Prey is the animal that is hunted and eaten. In the ocean, one of the smallest prey is krill. Fish eat krill and shark eat fish. This is one ocean food chain. The largest animal in the world is a blue whale. It is a predator. Blue whale eat krill.
Okay, so thanks for reading, Evan. That was a nice reading. Now, I want to ask you questions about the story that you just read, okay? Okay, so you need to tell me if it's a yes or a no, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, producers are living things that make their own food.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Consumers are like predators too.
Yes.
Yes, nice one. So here in the picture, what is the cat? A prey or a predator?
Predator.
Okay, what is its prey?
It is fish.
Oh, here, the picture.
Uh,
What
huh?
is the cat's prey?
That is fish.
No, it's a bird.
Really?
Really, yes.
Yes. I saw that it was fish.
You thought it's
Wait,
a
I will
fish?
see again the picture.
Okay, let me make it bigger. Now let's have this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's have this one. Let's try to answer this together. We still have time. So living things find food in different ways. Let's complete this, Evan.
Mm, for consumer.
Hmm. Very good. Consumers.
Producer.
You need to read it, please.
All
Yes.
things that make their own food.
Mm-hmm. This is
A
producer.
predator. Wait, predator is an animal that
What do they
blank
do? It's
and
hard.
eats prey.
Hmm.
Hunt, hunt.
Very good. Hunts and eats Pray.
Pray.
Very good. See? You did it. That was a nice work, Evan. Thank you. Now let's go here. Let's see. So we have some questions here and sentences you need to complete it. Let's have number one.
All animals are a producer.
Okay, animals are
Oh,
consumers.
predator. Consumer?
Yes.
Oh,
How
okay.
about number two?
Producer like plants make their own for food using sunlight.
Nice one. Number three.
Bio. A predator hunts and eats other animals, and producers are no. So animals, predators, it are called prey.
Okay, very good. How about number four? The last one?
The largest animal in the world is the blue whale, and it is a predator that eats krill.
Well, very good. So that's it. We are done for tonight. Evan, that was a great work. And now let's have this one, Evan. So we're done with this. We will not answer this one. We'll do this next meeting, okay? And I
Okay.
just want to show you what will be our next lesson. So our next lesson is all about habitats, different places. Ooh. And what
Okay. Bye
lives
bye.
here? Oh no, you're sleeping already. So that's it. That's it for tonight. Thank you very much, Evan. I hope you learned something from Teacher Anna. Goodbye and have a great night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.